Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign out of your profile and sign back in to refresh party permissions. Then perform a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox power button until it shuts down, wait 10 seconds and restart. This clears cached party state and often resolves stuck game chat. While it boots, open network settings and confirm NAT is open or moderate. Strict NAT can block party audio. Once done, try rejoining the party to see if voice routes correctly. Now focus on audio routing and permissions. Open party settings and toggle between game and party chat, or route voice through the Xbox mobile app to test if the console chat is stuck. Make sure privacy and online safety settings allow voice and party communications. Blocked permissions stop audio. If a user appears stuck in game chat, remove them from the party and immediately re-invite. This forces a fresh connection. Also inspect each player's head. Finish by ensuring system software and the Xbox app are up to date. Updates fix known party bugs. If problems persist, clear alternate MAC in network settings and restart. This resolves odd NAT or routing conflicts. Test the party on a different network or use a mobile hotspot to determine whether the issue is network-related versus account-related. If nothing works, back up settings and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because that will wipe local data, but often eliminates persistent software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.